Hello student, welcome to online classes. Myself, Mrs. Sunita More from Pimpalgaon High School, Pimpalgaon Baswant. Standard 6, Subject Science. In previous period, you had seen the structure of plant. Today, we see the need of classification of a plant. Up to now, information about lack of plant has been collected. While studying the diversity in a plants, they are classified for a sake of conditions on a basis of the similarity and difference in their structure and their organ and their characteristic. Here you know that the classification of a plant. You can easily notice a difference in a shape and height of a plant in our surrounding. It is easy to classify the plants on a basis on their observation. तुम्हाला माहितीच आहे की प्लांटचं क्लासिफिकेशन करताना आपण ऑब्झर्वेशन निरीक्षण करत असतो. कशा कशाचं निरीक्षण करतो? शेप अँड हाईट. ओके, तर आता आपण बघूया की what is the classification of a plant. Here the three types of the classification of a plants: herbs, shrubs and tree. At first we see the trees. You observe in a picture there are given some images of the tree. Some plants grow tall. Their stem and trunk is hard and strong. They have branches at the same height above the ground. They bear a flower and fruits for many years. Such plants are called tree. You observe in a picture. Their trees are tall, big and perennial. Perennials, that is, they live for a many years. You observe in this picture. Classification of the plant according to size and height is trees, shrubs, herbs and vine. The next we see trees. Some plants grow the stem. Then we see the shrubs. You also observe in a picture. Some plants grow close ground. They give up branches very close to the ground. They are shorter and smaller than trees, but they have a thick and hard stem. The oleander, hibiscus, lantern, kohlrabi and roses are the shrubs that may grow up to 2 to 3 meter. बघा, ट्रीमध्ये काय असतं? भक्कम खोड असतं, उंच असतात आणि ते खूप वर्ष जगतात. पेरिनियल म्हणजे खूप खूप वर्ष त्यांचं आयुष्य असतं. मात्र श्रब्स हे ट्रीपेक्षा थोडे स्मॉल असतात. ते किती मीटरपर्यंत वाढू शकतात? 2 to 3 म्हणजे 2 ते 3 मीटरपर्यंत ते वाढू शकतात. त्याचे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही पिक्चरमध्ये बघतातच आहात. नेक्स्ट वन इज हर्ब्स. Herbs grow to 1 to 1.5 meter tall. The stem of the herbs are green and quite flexible as compared to those tree and bushes. Herbs may live for a few months or up to 2 years. According to size and height, this stem and plants can be classified into 3 types: tree, herbs and shrubs. Next one is a vine. You observe carefully. Some vines need the vertical support for growing, while some others spread the ground. Climbers like the money plant have the aerial root. You observe in a picture. बघा, पिक्चरमध्ये काही वेली दिलेले आहेत. त्यांना सपोर्टची गरज लागते. Have you seen the pumpkin? The stem of the keeper very flexible, soft and green. It's grow rapidly with the help of the support. You also observe the example of a money plant is a climber. Also, you know that there is the 3 types of the plant. According to period, their life cycle, plants are classified as annual, biennial and perennial. Annual means 1 year जगणारे. The plants are called annuals म्हणजे जे जास्तीत जास्त 1 वर्ष जगू शकतात. The life cycle of a plants like a jawar, sunflower is completed annual. The life cycle plants like the carrot, beetroot is a 2 year. It's called biennial. म्हणजे जे जास्तीत जास्त 2 वर्ष त्यांचं आयुष्य असतं अशा प्लांट्सचं काय म्हणायचं बायनियल. And the Hibiscus solendars and trees like a mango and gulmohars are what is? These are the perennials. जे काही प्लांट्स आणि फ्रूट्स देतात एक्झाम्पल मँगो गुलमोहर्स यांना काय म्हणायचं पेरिनियल्स. म्हणजे क्लासिफिकेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू पिरियड्स आर लाईफ सायकल इज annuals, biennials and perennials. वार्षिक आणि द्विवार्षिक आणि पेरिनियल्स हे जास्तीत जास्त काळापर्यंत जगणारे. ओके स्टुडंट, I hope you understand this. Okay, now today's homework, you collect the list of the types of the example of types of the trees, shrubs and herbs. Okay student, bye bye, happy learning, take care.